Hi, my name is Nurfatin Andrani binti Shahril Izam with metric number S80 to X6. This video assignment is for microbiology with the subject code of BIS 3063. So today we are going to dive into the mechanism of action and the public health significance of hand sanitizer. And the brand that I choose for this assignment is Antabex. So first and foremost, we are going to get to know the brand in question. Antabex is a leading Malaysian antibacterial personal care brand. They are recognized and acknowledged among consumers and the industry. They receive numerous awards and has built deep trust in customers for their quality and also their branding. These are some of the awards being honored to Antabex throughout the year of 2010 until 2024. Next, you are going to get to know the hand sanitizer product. It is a ready-to-use, rinse-free hand sanitizer in spray form, marketed to kill 99.9% of the germs, formulated to be quick-drying and skin conditioning for frequent use. It is enriched with aloe vera, 5 skin vitamins, and the new Micro Moisture Serum. We are going to dive deeper into the ingredients, which is alcohol denatured, water, propylene glycol, glycerin, fragrance for good scent, aloe vera leaf juice, niacinamide which is the B3 vitamin, calcium pentosonate the vitamin B5, sodium ascorbyl phosphate the vitamin C derivative, pyroxidine HCl the vitamin B6, and lastly tocopherol acetate the vitamin E derivative. You can also pause the video to read the respective ingredients and their importance. Denatured alcohol being the component responsible for antimicrobial activity. Alcohol is a recommended cleaning agent other than soap and water. By destroying the lipid or fatty bilayer that hold the virus together, the virus proteins, lipids, and RNA fall apart. The components are no longer viable and virus become inactive. Anything above 80% alcohol will evaporate too quickly and may not have enough time to destroy lipid membrane efficiently. Weaker than 60% will be too weaker as it have too much water in it. Jumping into the mechanism, when an envelope virus is surrounded by water, hydrophobic effect gives hydrogen bond within the membrane their strength. And if it's too dry in the air, it keeps its stability. When surrounded by alcohol like ethanol and isopropanol, alcohol interferes hydrogen bond and makes hydrophobic effect disappear. The cell membrane collapse resulted in irreversible loss of enzyme activity and the structural protein essential for metabolism and replication. Water is required to facilitate denaturation. Alcohol produces quicksilent agents, effects against vegetative bacteria and rapidly inactivated envelope viruses such as influenza and coronaviruses, because those pathogens depend on intact lipids and surface protein for capacity of infection. For non-enveloped virus, they have geometric protein structure called capsid, which is tougher, though some of its surface protein are still vulnerable to the destabilizing effect of hand sanitizer, making hand sanitizer more effective than soap in some cases. Last but not least, in 2019, an outbreak contagious disease caused by coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 spread worldwide and put the whole world in non-stop feeling of cautious when it comes to hygiene. Hand sanitizer price rises rapidly to meet consumers' need. Up until now, the use of hand sanitizer is still important, especially on the go. Hand sanitizer helps users to prevent contacting their face with contaminated hands or objects that can initiate infection. Appropriate use of hand sanitizer has given significant help to public health. That's all from me today. Hope you enjoyed the video.